Hello, so now I'm gonna teach you how to make a glow text. First, go to Photoscape, BTW, this is my 10th video. Okay, click editor, any menu, new photo. It's okay, any size you want, but basta the color is black. Then add text. Then make it bigger. Then then click photo plus subjects. Then go to home, filter, region, out of focus. Then level the highest, size the highest. Then feather the lowest. Reverse the area. Then click OK. Then add the text again, the same text. Then click, oops, okay, North. Then click OK. Make it the same size. Then don't apply the outline. Then click OK. There, you have the glow text. Photos plus object. Save it, of course. My creation. There. Thank you for watching my 10th video. Thank you, bye.